Tonight, we know one local woman has beaten the odds and won a court case against scammers who stole her home through a quitclaim deed scam. Now, we've covered Robin Mobley's battle from the very beginning, and now we have the results. So, Lydia, I know that you've actually spoken throughout this, or with her throughout this whole process. So what does she have to say today?
That's right. And this story is not only inspirational because Robin Mobley represented herself throughout her whole court process, fighting back against the scammer who took her Hackett Drive house from her through a quitclaim deed. But she also represented herself while battling lung cancer and often getting sick in the middle of her court proceedings. But now she won and is sharing her story of why it was all worth it and why any woman out there can do the same thing.
It's believing in yourself. If you know for a fact that this is true and it's right, you have it deep down inside you to fight.
And that's exactly what she did. For over a year, Robin Mobley has been fighting back against the scammer who stole her property through a quitclaim deed scam. What you might not realize is how difficult it is to fight back against these types of scams, since the scammers are often hard to find. However, Mobley fought and the scammers had an attorney present as well. But on Friday, she learned that she won her case. Her story is a reminder to believe in yourself, but it also is shining light on how prevalent quitclaim deed fraud is in the Miami Valley.
From attending the Recorders Conference a couple weeks ago, Montgomery County may be the leader in this problem in the state of Ohio.
Between January 2023 and February of this year, Montgomery County had 91 referrals of deed fraud, which is why Benson Taylor says she'd love to see a law passed eventually to help reduce these numbers.
So actually, I've talked to several. Actually, every time I'm in the room with the legislature, I am talking about deed fraud.
Even though Mobley won her court case, there is still plenty to deal with in the aftermath of a scam like this. For example, back taxes and water bills.
It's on me to pay almost $14,000, $15,000, $16,000. There's a water bill, $2,400, and I just think that that's not right.
Luckily for Montgomery County homeowners, the Recorder's Office has implemented their fraud alert notification system.
You receive a letter or an email, and I am working on text messages so that you know someone has submitted some type of paperwork or recorded some type of paperwork on your property.
You can sign up for the FAN system at mcrecorder.org.